Welcome to Belle Luci, Italian for beautiful light. We're going to show you step by step how you can install these professional grade patio lights. When using the Belle Luci Cut to Fit program, this is how you install male and female plugs. Make sure you have a clean cut on your cord. Take your male or female plug, insert the wire into the closed end of the plug and firmly press down. Then take the cap and slide across the top. Be sure to finish off both ends of your cord. And as a bonus, we've included one inline plug. When using the Belle Luci hardware kit, your kit contains 2 eye hooks, 25 feet of guy wire, 2 looping grippers, 2 quick links, 1 turnbuckle, and zip ties. If you are using the telescoping pole, choose a dry and firm location to install. Pre-dig a starter hole and twist the auger into the ground using the twist bar. With the plastic end up, place the support bar into the auger. Tighten the surrounding bolts securely. Add the eyelet screw into the pre-drilled hole on the top of the pole. Now, expand the pole to the desired height, then tighten the set screws. Next, slide the light pole over the support bar and tighten the set screws just above the auger. This is the looping gripper. Be sure that your guy wire has a fresh cut. Insert the cable with the arrow pointing in. Then install your hardware. Then reinsert the cable and tighten as needed. The looping grippers allow you to adjust your light set with no tools. Unlike other light sets, our patented Pro Guide system allows you to install the lights in 2 different directions. With our Pro Guide system, there's no need for zip ties on every single socket. Our lights hang straight and perfect. Our Pro Guide system allows the light set to slide down the guy wire with ease. If using the turnbuckle system, make sure your turnbuckle is screwed open. We've already installed the looping gripper and cable on the other end. Hook it into your eye hook, and then use a pliers or a screwdriver to tighten it further. Quick links can be used from going corner to corner to add extra support to your light set. Simply slip it through the eye hook, then put your light set through, close it up, and you're off to your next corner. Finally, use the zip ties to secure your light set.